Friends, here we are talking about working with Ollama Interactive Mode. See, Ollama Interactive Mode enables us to interact directly with an LLM by sending prompts or requests from the terminal or command prompt itself. So simply, it is useful for testing, experimentation and learning without writing code or using REST APIs. See, we know that we have to use LLMs in our AI applications with the help of REST APIs. But suppose if you want to test or experiment, or if you want to learn about that particular model, then basically you don't need to write a code. You don't need to access that LLM using REST APIs. Simply from your command line itself, you can do testing or experimentation. Then how to start interactive mode with your required LLM from Ollama? It's very simple. Simply run Ollama space run then required LLM model. And suppose if you want to exit from interactive mode, then simply you have to type Ctrl+D and enter, or simply /y. Now let me go to my command line. Suppose we already installed Ollama, just I am verifying version. And we already installed some open-weight LLMs, so I am just listing them. Now suppose if I want to send a request, or if I want to send a prompt to, let's say, Gamma 3 1 billion LLM model, then for that you don't need to write a code basically. I mean, it is simply just for testing or experimentation or for learning purpose only. So Ollama run that model, then enter. So now you are in the Gamma 3 1 billion LLM model command prompt in interactive mode. Suppose I am saying, let's say, hi. So it is responding with something. Now suppose I am asking a question, or I am sending a prompt like share the Python code to add two numbers. See, it's giving a code. That's it. And also it is giving explanation. Now suppose if you want to exit from this interactive mode of LLM, then simply type /by. And interactive mode provides several built-in / commands to manage the current session. Suppose we already used one of the built-in / command called /by to exit from the interactive mode. But we have some other commands also. To see them, you just type /? or /help from that terminal. See, suppose if I enter into interactive mode of Gamma 3 1 billion, from where if I type /? or /help, you will see some built-in / commands. So whenever if there is a need with these commands, at that time we will use these commands. Okay, thank you.